Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, MailerSend Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install to choose an account where you want to install the app in. Click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, head to Settings and click on it. Then you click on custom menu links under settings, head over to create new and click on it. You add an icon, you give a title, paste the link right over here, choose a sidebar preference, choose an account, and give a role-based visibility, then click on save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account, search for the custom menu link, click on it. Then this interface is going to pop up with all the available apps. Search for the app and you click on connect. Then you're going to have all the assets of the app such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have a smart queue and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get your credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup button and you'll be required a token to complete your configuration. Head to the account we've created online. You click on Integrations and you click on Manage. Then you click on Create New Token. You give a name and you give a name and toggle on the full access permissions. Then you click on Create Token. Copy the token and you can download the token and keep for future use. Head back to your account and you paste the token. Then click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and our support team will assist you promptly and schedule a one-on-one session with the support team. We also have the change feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.